Intel CPUs have recently been exposed to 4 vulnerabilities known as the Memory Mapped I/O Stale Data or MEO, which could allow a threat actor to read sensitive information located in both virtual and non-virtual environments. In response to this, Microsoft has released out-of-band security updates through the Microsoft Update Catalog, patches that need to be applied manually to Windows 10, 11, Server 2016, Server 2019, and Server 2022. However, for those with Intel hyper-threading technology enabled, these patches may be ineffective and have reported experiencing a decrease in performance. Microsoft further recommend that special caution be taken when applying these patches and that users keep an eye out for any necessary compliance updates needed to keep their systems secure and running smoothly, or face potential security risks. But why exactly are these vulnerabilities so dangerous? Well, they create an environment in which an attacker can access and read data across trust boundaries. This kind of breach carries potential destructive consequences, including data breaches, ransomware, laws and regulations violations, and a whole host of other IT security-related issues. So, whether you're using Windows 10, 11, Server 2016, Server 2019, or Server 2022, the best thing for users to do is to ensure that their Intel CPUs are patched and that Intel hyper-threading technology is disabled. This will go a long way in preventing any possible security risks downstream and help keep users safe from data-related threats.